Hello, there are multiple ways in which you can compute percentage formula in Excel depending on the context. Let's review them in this video. So first of all, you can compute a percent of an item out of the total. For example, I want to find out how big is my first sale of Arabica coffee out of my total sales. To do that, I'll just need to use a formula which will divide my cell E2 by the sum of all sales and press enter. So here I accept the correction, and we can see here that sales of Arabica coffee number 1 represents 4.4% out of the total sales of this company. Of course, it's not super convenient to see it in this form, so we can apply formatting to this cell, and to do so just select the percentage sign on home panel, and that will create a percent. If you need more digits, please use option to add more digits on the home panel of Excel once again, and in this way you can add, for example, 2 digits after the whole number. Another way to apply the percentage formula in Excel is, for example, to compare the change in the price. We know that we have a huge inflation everywhere in the world. Let's say our coffee sold for $3.29 in 2022, and the current price is almost $5, $4.99. So the question is, how can we see the percentage change in this price? Again, it's very simple with the formula. We just need to take current price, subtract previous price, put this whole amount into brackets, and divide it by the initial price, once again in 2022, and click enter. And we can use a format painter to apply the same transformation, and we see that in this case inflation in the price of coffee was almost 52%. And finally, imagine that we want to increase our price of coffee by additional 10% next year. So let's say here we put 0.1 to represent 10% increase, and to compute the price of coffee in the next year, once again let's use the formula. So let's use the current price and multiply it by 1 plus this percentage increase in the next year. And with a 10% increase, the price of the coffee will be $5.49. So now you know how to use percentage formula in Excel, and you can practice it. Thank you, and see you in the next videos. If this video helped you to save some time, please support our team by buying us a coffee. Thank you.